के अंदर cortex is made up of parenchyma. So can parenchyma undergo de-differentiation to form again secondary meristem? So वहां पर peripheral area में cortex के region में एक नया cambium बनेगा and that cambium is called as cork cambium. So where is the cork cambium formed in which area? Cortex के area में, right? In the cortical area you will have formation of the cork cambium. The cork cambium is also called as the phelogen. Again it is cambium. Will it cut cells on both the sides? Yes. Cambium always divides on both the sides. On the outer side, it will form cork. The cork is also called as phloem. On the inner side पे cortex है, right? ये cortical area है ना, so ये secondary cortex हो जाएगा, या इसको बोलेंगे pheloderm. तो total कितने layer बन गए? 3. And these 3 put together is called as periderm. Can you identify in this diagram, please? This diagram is available with you. दिख रहा है ये डायग्राम सबको? ये देखो, ये अपना ऑटोमोड आ गया. ऑटोमोड के आगे ये कौन सा कैम्बियम है? वैस्कुलर. उसके आगे सेकेंडरी फ्लोएम. सेकेंडरी फ्लोएम का क्रस्ट प्राइमरी फ्लोएम. ओके, फिर उसके बाद पेरिसाइकल है. यहाँ पर कॉर्टेक्स है. अब बन गया यहाँ पे कॉर्क कैम्बियम. इफ यू कैन वांट, यू कॉर्क कैम्बियम को बॉक्स कर दो यहाँ पे. व्हाट इज कॉर्क कैम्बियम? आल्सो कॉल्ड एज फेलोजन. On the outer side is giving rise to cork or phloem. On the inner side is giving rise to secondary cortex or pheloderm. And these 3 put together is called as periderm. See in the notes I have given one small diagram for that. On just one page behind that 19 number पे देखो आप. छोटा सा नीचे बीच में डायग्राम दिया मैंने कॉर्क कैम्बियम के लिए. टेबल टाइप दिया मैंने, चार्ट बना के दिया. बीच में कॉर्क कैम्बियम है, which is phelogen, on the outer side, inner side, and collectively they are called as periderm. Follow me please? Yes. So total lecture is only about 2 cambiums today, vascular and cork. The first part they were discussed was vascular. Now we are discussing about cork. Now what is happening? Cork cambium starts dividing. So cork cambium का activity will start building up pressure on the layers which are peripheral to cork cambium, outside. Okay, and ultimately these layers die and slough. It leads to formation of bark, right? Yes, Kunal, talking about bark, na? Every tissue outside vascular cambium, let's count. वैस्कुलर कैम्बियम के बाहर कौन आएगा? सेकेंडरी फ्लोएम. उसके बाद पेरिसाइकल. उसके बाद एंडोडर्म. उसके बाद हाइपोडर्म. So all this put together is nothing but bark. So every tissue beyond vascular cambium is known as bark. All tissues exterior to vascular cambium, therefore including secondary phloem. Immediately vascular cambium के बाद secondary phloem ही है ना? So including secondary phloem, everything collectively is called as bark. So bark which is formed early in the season is called early or soft bark. Towards the end of the season, late or hard bark is formed now. Yes, please.
Sir, season मतलब spring.
Development, right ना? Generally spring में development होता है.
Sir.
Okay.
Outer tissue including vascular cambium.
No.
Vascular
vascular cambium तो अंदर की तरफ है. Outer बाहर है तो बाहर है सर.
secondary xylem के बाहर.
हाँ, talking about this layer. Cork cambium on the outer side, is it giving rise to cork?
Yes.
What is cork also called as? Phellem. But, right, in some places, not everywhere, the kind of cells which is given out by cork cambium is slightly different. Can you see difference in this type of cell and this type of cell?
Yes.
Right ना? ये थोड़े से tightly packed cells हैं और ये pressure ज़्यादा डालते हैं epidermis में और इनके pressure की वजह से कुछ जगह पे epidermis टूट जाता है और अब ये जो opening create होता है उसको बोलते हैं lenticel. This is called as so ये जो cells है ना, ये जो extra वाले जो नए type के आए हैं उनको बोलते हैं complementary cells. पेज नंबर 19 में देखो डायग्राम दिया हुआ है. मिला कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री सेल वाला डायग्राम?
Can you repeat what is complementary cell?
Coming, don't worry. Yes, at certain regions, so it is not throughout, please, only in certain areas. The phellogen, what is phellogen? Cork cambium cuts off closely arranged cells on the outer side instead of cork cells. What are cork? Phellem. So normally क्या होना चाहिए? The phellogen should produce phellem. ये phellem है. But कुछ जगह पे अलग type के cells है. What are these अलग type के cells called as complementary cells? And the complement इसके ऊपर कौन सा layer है? Epidermis है. So the complementary cells are putting pressure on the epidermis. And because of the pressure of the complementary cells, the epidermis will burst open there. And that bursting area, that opening is nothing but lenticel. जहाँ से you will have exchange of gases, transpiration. Right now, school में you studied in lenticular transpiration भी होता है. So exchange of gases can occur from there. You can have transpiration also occurring from the lenticel. Right? So that is how lenticels are formed. Yes, sir. Lenticel is not made up of complementary. Lenticel is only an opening. Is stomata made up of guard cell? No. Stomata is just an opening. So lenticel is just an opening which is created by the complementary cell का pressure. Yes, Kunal.
Sir, complementary cells have protoplasm.
Complementary cells will have protoplasm. They are parenchymatous. तो होगा ना? ठीक है ना? यहाँ पर क्या है देखो. Phellogen cuts off closely arranged parenchymatous cells instead of cork cells. So parenchymatous cells instead of cork cells. So living है ना? ठीक है? See, जहाँ भी तुमको ये क्वेश्चन आए कि पैरेनकाइमा से मेरिस्टेम जा रहा है, मेरिस्टेम से पैरेनकाइमा जा रहा है, you please try to define that process. Right? Otherwise that question will always remain in mind. ये इंटरचेंज कैसे हो रहा है? जब मर्जी आए चेंज हो जाता है. Right? तो pro meristem becomes primary. Primary meristem right ना, तो उसका डी डिफरेंशिएशन, पहले डिफरेंशिएशन, फिर डी डिफरेंशिएशन, फिर री डिफरेंशिएशन. Always be very clear about the process which is going on, please. Right, so this is how dicot stem में secondary growth is occurring. The last part is how it is occurring in a root. How does the same process occur in a root? Yes, sir.
So the secondary or in the cork cambium it will be redifferentiation, right?
Yes.
For the lenticel.
Yes, please. Does this appear as the vascular bundle of a root?
Yes.
Because the bundle which we are seeing here is a radial bundle. So can we see patches of xylem phloem on different radiuses?
Yes.
Then they are on different radiuses. The first point that we did was development of the vascular cambium. In the stem, did we mention that आधा vascular cambium primary था? In the form of intra. And आधा was secondary in the form of inter. तब जाके पूरा ring बना. But in the root, the vascular cambium is completely secondary. यानी पहले कुछ भी नहीं होगा. ये पूरा ring बाद में बनेगा. It originates from the tissue located just below the phloem bundle. Can you see primary phloem के नीचे? a part of the pericycle, a part of the pericycle, a portion of the pericycle tissue above the protoxylem, near the protoxylem, that will result in formation of vascular cambium. This point had come in pericycle wala part also, right na? आज के डिसीडेड भी दशा है, right? So initiation of the lateral roots and formation of vascular band in case of root, ठीक है? Then forming a complete and a continuous wavy ring. Look at the ring. Can you see it is a little wavy? देखना, it's a wavy type of a ring now. This will gradually become circular, and once it becomes circular, the process will be the same. एक बार सर्कुलर रिंग बन गया मतलब वही प्रोसेस जो स्टेम में था वही प्रोसेस यहाँ पर रिपीट होगा इन द रूट ऑल्सो, ठीक है ना? This is the only part which has been given in the NCERT. The process has not been described because obviously हाँ same process है तो वापस describe नहीं किया उन्होंने, but यहाँ से you can have 2 or 3 questions asked. Number 1, the vascular cambium being completely secondary, वहाँ पर it is partially primary, partially secondary. Origin of the tissue just below the pericycle, उसके नीचे. The wavy ring is wavy, वहाँ पर ring initially is circular, यहाँ पे it becomes circular later on, ठीक है? Now for the same, what I have done is I have given this differentiation: secondary growth in dicot stem and secondary growth in dicot root. Right? Again, please make a note of this. अभी ही कर लो इसको please. Yes, please.
So all types of cambium are secondary correction. So
Yes.
that's why they
Yes.
redifferentiate.
Sir, secondary growth stem में देख सकते हैं ना कि जो interfascicular cambium में that originates from the intra जहाँ पे pericycle है.
ये देखो तो ये दोनों please would really appreciate if you keep your mouth shut and write this differentiation please.
पढ़ा नहीं cambium ring जो main बात होगा उसमें ही था फिर अगर बाकी branches
I said quiet.
cambium ring main cambium नहीं होंगे क्योंकि branches में कम होगी. 3 को कट किए बिना विकिरण ऐसे नहीं होता.